Alright, guys. This is the second nightmare bundle. Let's see if we can crack open that Crypt Ghast. I really want it. And this is giving me a hard time to be open. Here we go. The TV. The cool TV. Really liked it. The posters and the hollows. You guys already seen it? Oh, I guess it's the same dice too. Yeah, the box, it's pretty cool, pretty insane. I really like the TV. All right, let's go for these cassettes. Just gonna leave the lands inside. And Nightmare Bundle, the 2 collector packs, and the 2, 4, 6 booster boxes. All right. Trying to make this go on camera. Unwanted remake. Another land. Been having a lot of lands of these types. They're good, don't get me wrong. It's just that. Oh. Would like something different. Manifest Dread. Oh, cool. Yeah, something different like this. Overlord. The lands. Play your game. Nice. Haven't seen that card before. Just reading it. Oh. Yep. Let's do a mess. The ley line. It's the first time I got this ley line. Oh, cool. The Wandering Rescuer. That's pretty cool. Fast play booster. See what we get here. Toy. Oh, the land. It's cool art. All right. Collector booster. Let's see what we get here. I haven't seen much people opening the Japanese versions. I think they're very, very, very rare, huh? Oh. Saw land. Nice, another Overlord. Oh, this comes in the commander, huh? Oh, that's cool. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This art. Oh my god. So cool. I think it's my favorite art of the set. And the demon. Alright. Seems this is gonna be the box. I think we're getting Crypt Ghast here. Something is telling me that. Something is actually telling me that. Machete. Land. A winter. Nice. These arts, man, they're amazing. Hey, I love it. Rip. Awesome. Now, let's go for this Crypt Ghast. Alright? Look at this Crypt Ghast. I can see it. Look at it. Argent Cruelty. And look at this Crypt Ghast. Oh no! Damn! Alright. I guess I didn't get it. But yeah. Good pack either way. Thank you guys for watching. Click on that like and subscribe button. It helps me, it cheers me up. And thank you guys. Have a good one.